The following contest is a Tornado Tag Team match. Introducing first, from Charlotte, North Carolina, the Superstar.
I'm going to come right out and say it. Yes, this athlete takes great appreciation in their own in-ring performances, but it doesn't make them a bad person.
Who says it does? But on that topic, they're not my cup of tea. Actually, a little more like a cup of raw sewage, if we're being perfectly honest.
She knows tonight is going to be a big challenge, but if anyone is up for it, it's this woman.
And her partner, from San Jose, California, Bayley.
You know, this person takes some pride in their work, but who could blame them? Few are as gifted in the ring as this performer.
Wow, you are laying it on thick, Saxton. Don't worry, I'm sure they'll hear you when they watch this match 10 times before bed tonight.
She has been counting the weeks, the days, the minutes until this match, and she is now ready to compete.
Doudrop is here and ready for a fight.
And from Ayrshire, Scotland, Doudrop.
Well, lately, Doudrop has developed a serious edge to her.
You're right, Byron, and I like it. Doudrop is doing what she has to do to stop the competition.
Go for it! Come on, let's go! Come on, let's go!
I tell you, there are some times when Doudrop seems unstoppable inside that ring.
Plenty of power in her game.
Well, here comes the corrupted superhero.
You know, I often wonder, does Nikki even want to try to find the right path? Probably not.
And from Glasgow, Scotland, almost a superhero, Nikki A.S.H.
Lately, Nikki has been more like almost a super villain as opposed to a hero.
That's what we call trending in the right direction, Saxton.
That's what I call heartbreaking.
Don't let the get-up fool you. Nikki A.S.H. is a battle-tested competitor.
Hey, she helped revolutionize women's wrestling in Europe.
And now Nikki's only interested in helping herself.
It's called looking out for number one.
Tornado tag rules in this one, no tags necessary. These tag team members are allowed in the ring at all times. Guys, this is going to be absolute pandemonium.
Yeah, it's not going to be easy to call this one, but to be fair, I don't envy the referee either. They're really going to need eyes in the back of their head to keep track of everything.
Oh, what a clothesline.
Stunner. Oh, what's coming here? Submission move being applied. At the leg, and jumps the elbow. Torture rack, torture rack.
Oh, man, there's no...
Punching her way out. And breaks the hold. Oh, my goodness.
Nikki turns it around.
Connects on the kick.
Oh, impressive counter.
Kick to the gut.
Dragged around into a neck breaker.
Hip drop. What a hot shot. It's all the way to the outside.
Look at... Whoa! Into the ring now.
Suicide dive.
That is reckless abandon being shown.
And paying off as well.
She's feeling the hurt here.
Uh-oh.
High angle belly to back suplex.
She's going for it. This could be. Fights out at two.
Getting that shoulder up now is huge.
Stiff headbutt.
Perch on the shoulders. Rack attack and round. Nails it.
Rolling neck snap. Brutal. Dribbling the opponent's head like a basketball.
Ah, look at this. Hair-pulled neck slam. I don't really think this is the most opportune time to be looking for the fans' praise.
Tremendous pressure being applied in this head crank.
Clothesline to the back of the neck.
Might take her head clean off her shoulders.
She avoids the attack completely.
Arms trapped. She goes back inside the ropes. She's sent flying into the corner. Oh, God, what an elbow.
Oh, inverted backbreaker. Ow. Huge round scoops up her opponent.
Doudrop might have this wrapped up. Doudrop just looking to humiliate her opponent.
She's starting to look concerned. Targeting the ankle.
Now there's the old stop pull leg snap.
That's going to hurt. Tear your hamstring.
Sharp knee. And now she's climbing to the top turnbuckle. Ooh, she just turned it around.
Oh, man, a callous attack to the knee. Got the leg.
Well-placed elbow to the leg.
Back in the ring now. Oh, a deafening blow to the chest. With no countouts, there's nothing keeping her inside the ring.
Nikki striking a superhero pose for the WWE Universe.
Don't you dare do the same, Saxton.
And Doudrop here.
This is it. And they're still in this. What a forearm.
Continuing to attack the neck. Across the top rope.
Jumping face buster.
Nice takedown. And she is feeling the electricity from the crowd now.
Right to the kidneys from behind.
Suplex brings them down.
Lights out. DDT connects.
She slips outside. What has she got?
Here we go.
Suicide dive!
That's finding any which way to topple the competition.
Hurling your own body like that is insane. is feeling it too.
Doudrop works out a tackle.
Haymaker connects. Forearm's gonna cut off the wind. Guillotine applied. Well, this isn't gonna win the fall, but it's gonna do a lot of damage.
Sidewalk slam.
You can't take my...
Gotta find a way out of the guillotine. We're not gonna last long. We're bridging out.
Incredible. Pendulum backbreaker.
Tick-tock. Hits to the core like that'll render you useless.
She re-enters the ring now.
What a shot.
At this point, this is incredibly ill-advised. You're in the middle of a match.
This could be big.
Planted with a neck breaker.
Will Nikki seal the deal?
Kick out. Thought that was the end of her.
What is it going to take to keep her down?
The answer might be more than her opponent can offer.
Can't put this one away even after that big maneuver.
She's gone after her opponent's core a few times now.
And the hits to the core keep coming.
Kicks out with the knee. High-risk territory for Nikki. Climbs back inside.
Look at this.
Slingshot cross body to the outside.
What a smash.
That is just insulting. Scary pattern starting to form as that upper area takes more damage.
And did you hear the impact of that?
Steps through looking for the figure four submit.
Michinoku driver.
Doudrop on the cusp of ending it. There it is.
Got it. There's the winners of the tag match.
Release back suplex.
Here are your winners.
And a big-time victory for this tag team here tonight.
These two had no trouble adapting to the stipulation and utilizing each other's strengths. Impressive stuff.